Hey friends, Dustin here again, and we are starting a new build project. This is the Acura TL that we picked up from the Copart salvage auctions. Now this car was in a very minor front end accident. We've got parts on the way to fix this thing up, so it's time to get it off the trailer and get this thing started. Well, that wasn't the most graceful way I've ever taken a car off a trailer. That's for sure. Let's jump in and go for a spin, see how this thing drives. Got plenty of power. Too bad it's just front wheel drive. I have a feeling when I get on it, this thing's gonna spin like crazy. Yep. Oh yeah. Traction control is very active. Still active. Still active. Yeah. With the wheel spin, it pretty much doesn't want to get out of its own way out here on the dirt roads. Hey guys, got the Acura TL in the shop here, and I've already got the replacement headlight kind of sitting in there and lined up. I did that a couple of weeks ago because I got that in right away. I'm going to pull that back out, put in some new brackets to hold up the bumper, and then try to test fit that bumper cover and see what it looks like. Most of this car is actually held together with 8, 10, and 14 millimeter bolts, so you don't need too many tools really to take them apart. So I'm going to loosen up this fender here, drop this bolt out for the light bracket, pull this bolt out over here, pull out this headlight. That's not hooked up yet anyway, and those are HIDs in this thing, so they are pretty cool. Do have a lot of electrical connectors for them. Yeah, 4 sockets. That's all you really need. So we got the new bumper right here. Came in. It's all ABS plastic. It's already been primered. This is our old grill emblem. It's got a little crack in it right there, but I think we're going to epoxy that all together, sand it down, and then I'll repaint these parts when we paint the bumper. I might even just paint it body color, but yeah, that'll snap on there like that. Alright guys, got the headlight actually mounted with brackets now. It's all hooked up and working. Got this one used real cheap off of eBay. Well, I wouldn't say real cheap. These headlights are like $250 a piece, even used. So they're very expensive. They're about $500 brand new, just in case any of you were wondering. Now, looks like we got pretty good alignment around here. Little gap here, but this fender is pretty soft, so looks like we're going to be able to probably push and pull on things just to get everything back into alignment and put that all together. But all the brackets and stuff look good. Replaced all these, so this all lines up now. So we're gonna hang the front bumper and see how it goes. Go from there. Okay guys, there she is with the bumper cover on. The fit of the bumper cover is actually pretty good. Pretty good lines. Everything lined up, all the holes and tabs lined up, so that was nice. Even on the side that got hit pretty hard with the new headlight and stuff. A little gappy here, not bad. We'll fix that up. But that's good there. We got a little gap in the hood here. Probably be able to adjust that down. You can see, yep, little ripple there pushed on the hood harder than I thought. So yeah, the hood got nosed down a little bit, and that's what's causing our misalignment here. And I don't know, we should probably get a new hood for it, but gosh, it's not a super expensive car. It's not yeah, I don't think it's going to be worth replacing the whole hood just because of that wrinkle. So I think we're going to try to straighten that out the best we can. And then we'll get this bumper and all the molding ready for paint and see how that goes. Please share, like, and subscribe to the videos and the channel. That helps us out more than you guys could possibly know. And it's a big help to us if you just give us a thumbs up and shoot us a comment down below. So God bless you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.